Hi guys, Nathan here. Welcome back to another YouTube video. A little bird died, that's why I'm recording. I just need to find my mum first to see where she's burying it. Mum! Yeah? Are you burying it yet? Guys, I'll show you the bird. It's really hard to see, guys.
Go around the side. Let's get its face. We're too close, hun.
It's really hard to see, but we're gonna bury it.
It's definitely not breathing.
It's
Poor little
Mum,
baby.
I think we might need to go and can we go inside so I can show them? It's hard to see. So we're gonna bury it. Come on, Mum. It's a little tiny bird. My finger feels weird.
I just want to feel it. I just saw it taking its last breath as I picked it up. Poor baby. Wish I could save you, darling.
Okay, let's bury it. Guys, I'm sorry if it's hard to see. Come on.
I just want to make sure it's dead. It's a little kingfisher, I think.
It's a poor little bird, eh? Okay, guys. So I'm gonna start digging. I don't know if you can see, guys, because because it looks hard to see while I'm recording. Because I'm looking on the tablet I'm recording with, and it's like
I just want to make sure it's dead, eh? I don't want to bury it and it's still alive. It has to be deeper than that.
guys, it's just like I don't think you can see it. See, guys, that well. Sorry about that. If you can't see it see the thing, I'll see this video that well. It's because we're outside.
Nathan, I want to make sure it's dead. I want to take it inside, hun.
Okay, so Mum's gonna take it inside, and I'm just gonna dig the hole. We need to see if it's actually dead. It could just be terrified and pretending it's dead, if that's possible. Because birds can do what they want to protect themselves. Because birds are different. You never know what birds are gonna do. Guys, I am new to YouTube, so I can't hurry up. Sorry, guys. But I can do something like pause the video and dig the hole, and then dig it, then just dig it. But the video would be paused. And Nanny's here. Oh, somebody me and my mum know, named Annie. So guys, I'm just really gonna pause this video, and yeah, and no, my mum saw we think a bird died, so we're gonna bury it.
Oh, it's a bit sad, isn't it?
Mm-hmm.
I thought you must have been making your garden. No? Hello.
Okay, guys, so I'm just going to pause this and just like keep recording.
Oh, it's a little
Okay, I'll be quick.
Go.
Okay, guys, I've just finished.
Bye, little one. Should I just fold it up?
Just put them away here, so then you'll go back to the
Some purple.
dust the dust, as you say.
Dust to dust. Rest in peace. Here, put them a bit more flatter.
Probably got a better service in my
It's a
brother.
poor girl, guys.
Yeah, what happened there?
I'll tell you all
In the
about
hole.
Okay, come
My
on,
hands are such a bloody help a little bit.
Yeah. Well, come in, I'll make you a cup of tea.
This sounds nice.
Or coffee.
Rest in peace, bird.
Oh, okay.
Rest in peace. Okay, guys, so this video is gonna be it for now. Please subscribe and leave a like. And yeah, bye. Bird, rest in peace. Bye, guys. Subscribe and leave a like. Subscribe and leave a like.
Oh, fuck that.